To all the women in CZBC,
CZBC nu te khem pe o.
even if you are not our moms or not a mom at all, you are still our mom in our eyes.
Ko ni mal nu na hi ke song wa. Ta tre na ne kha ke song wa. Ko mi ta kanu na hi ve ku hi.
If you look around, there are many women and each of them are special.
Na kim na kyang en sin le chin nu mei tam pi o ma. Na ve ku na special ha na man phate ku hi.
With all of you guys together, you are like a team of mom heroes.
Na ve ku na mom khop chia mon. Mom heroes team khat nam hi u hi.
You are all like heroes because of your dedication towards our church community, your never-ending care, your love, your help, and serving in this church.
Hero na hi nau pen ipol pi adi nga na ki pung piak nau hang hi a tol nga lowa nong kep nong care na u nong hit na u nong u na u le ipol pi adi nga na ki sat na te u tu pi lo hi.
Even if you have children of your own or don't, you still look out for all the rest of the children of this church in your own way.
Nong mau hin ta te na ne ki khasong wa ko nau pang te nong mau ka ma bangin nong en de lu hi.
You guys are like moms to the whole church because you are all part of the work that we all depend on that church.
Ipol pi u adi ngin nu na hi u hi. No te atu pi ma nu te na hi u a. Ko te adi ngin kingak na nu te na hi u hi.
We all love and admire the things you do in this church.
Ko te le pol pi adi nga na hi te u lung damin tu pi kasama ma u hi.
Thank you for providing us with prayers, sharing the gospel, bringing us together to praise, and dedicating your time for this church.
Nong tung yak sak na te u pasian thu ge na nong patta na te u pasian pan na le na hunu nong piak na te u lung damong.
We appreciate you all for letting us experience this church and teaching, preaching,
Wale an nong wa sak na te u ahoy lam pi nong la na te u nong piak khia na te kim pe u na pi takin lung damong. Na sep khia na te kim pe u tu pi kasa wa lung dam kong ko hi.
We want you to know and acknowledge that you are all important and loved by the whole church community.
Nu te khem pe tu nga kong gen no ku a hi le na tu pi in naman phate ku a bol pi mi te in kong in ma u hi.
You are blessed from you are all blessings from God and the Sunday school blessing from God and the Sunday school department thinks of you as guys as gifts from God.
Sunday school te in jong ko te a ding in no te to pa hong piak tu pa nai hi u hi chi in kasa huwa ka lung dam ma u hi.
As you continue to help the church, we hope that God continues to bless you.
Na hi te sa un bol pi le ko na ta te u hong u to zelun la pasian in tu pa to hong ton pi den hen.
Happy Mother's Day to all the women in this church community.
CZBC nu mei ten khem pe o nu te ni tu pa na ve pi wa lung dam.
I love you and thank each one.
Kongin ma mau hi i na to Sunday school nau pang te sigle tang in Jerusalem class pan.
Amen.